to a topic. I will be talking about the things you should not trade for in Royal High. So the first item I'm gonna be talking about is the .D flower crown. So if you don't know what the .D flower crown is, it's basically a November item. It's talking about the celebration of the Day of the Dead, because obviously it's .D. So the price is 6,500 diamonds. I repeat, 6,500 diamonds, and it does not cost candy, so you don't have to worry about anything. But it is limited edition. That means like it's not staying in the shop forever. So yeah, the .D flower crown is like a demand item because it goes with a ton of items, but correct me if I'm wrong because I do not wear that item very much. So yes, so I do not suggest to trade for that because the item is available in November and you can always get it. So do not trade for it. It's more cheap to like wait, but if you really want to trade it, trade for it or trade it, you can do that too. It's just my opinion. So the next item I'm going to be talking about is the parasol. Everyone knows the parasol in Royal High since it's actually a very high demand item. Before people were trading halos for it and sets. When it was first released, people were going crazy over it because it was like 52k and 60k. The original parasol was 52k, but now it's not in the shop. There was a few adjustments and there was a reworked version of the parasol. It's called the Parasol 2021, I think, or 2020. Anyways, that parasol costs 60k and it's only available in February. Sorry, I can't talk right now. Yeah, it's only available in that month, and it's the most expensive item on the Valentine's shop. So I do not suggest you trade for that because that is super expensive and your diamonds can like go zero over it. Because people tend to overprice the parasol, so other people couldn't get it. People are trading the parasol for 60k to 100k. That's the most fair item. Fair price, to be honest, and hello there. Anyways, the parasol, I do not suggest trading for it because it can always come back any year. Unless it goes up sale next year, which is kind of impossible since it just got reworked last year. So yeah, I do not suggest trading for the parasol because you can go broke over it and you just got a parasol. And people also tend to underpay for it, so yeah, don't trade for it. But if you really want to, it's okay, it's fine, it's really fine, because it's also my opinion. So the third item I'm going to be talking about is the Moncherie set. I do not suggest trading for that set or either buying it because it's also a February item. It's the second Valentine's set that was available on February 2021. Because the Moncherie set is kind of rare right now. People tend to overpay. Yeah, they overpay, but they don't pay halos, don't worry. So yeah, I don't know the total price of the set because I didn't calculate it yet. But yeah, I do not suggest trading for it because again, you can also go broke. Because I had the Moncherie set one time and I was broke. I traded my entire outfit including my best item for that set. I even traded like a parasol for 3 items of the set. It's so high in demand right now. But again, I also traded it. So yeah, I do not suggest trading for that set. So the fourth item I'm gonna be talking about is the pacifier. People are going crazy over the pacifier, and I do not suggest trading for it because it's just a pacifier. And you might get mad at me for just saying this, but trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. It may not, or it may. But yeah, the pacifier is a New Year's item. It's from 2019, and if you don't know what it looks like, I'm just gonna tell you to go to Google because I don't have the picture right now. Yeah, so that item is pretty rare right now because it goes with a ton of outfits. It also has its own outfit hack, and I'll talk about that in the next video. Anyways, the pacifier goes from 70k to like 100k. People tend to overpay and actually just give people 240k diamonds for it, because I witnessed one person giving 240k to 300k for the pacifier, but they also asked for the Rosie's Rose for it. So the fact that the pacifier is so high in demand and people want it because it was from Cybernova's quest. So yeah, it's called the Bahia's pacifier. So yeah, I do not suggest trading for it because once again, you can go broke. I just want to help you guys on your trading tips, but myself, I don't really know what to trade yet. So yeah, I'm just saying this so I can help some of you guys. So the last and fifth item I'm gonna be talking about is the anti-horns. The anti-horns is also a New Year's 2019 item. It's also rare like the pacifier, but it has less demand. But the anti-horns go with a ton of boy trolling outfits, and I find it kind of hilarious. And people also tend to overpay and pay like 70k for it to 100k because the anti-horns are like so gothic and it matches a lot of outfits for goths. So yeah, I do not suggest trading for it because again, you can also go broke. Just like the parasol and stuff, it might never come back. Well, obviously it will not, because the anti-horns are beautiful and stuff, but I just don't like it a lot, and I can go broke, including you guys, because I'm just trying to keep you safe. So anyways, that's all the items I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about more items in the future, but now not really. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this butterflies. I hope you guys stay safe, and please don't fall for scams. And in my next video, I'm gonna talk about overpayers and what they do to trick you into giving them more stuff. Anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching this butterflies. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe. Bye.